The alphabet. Uppercase A, lowercase a. A says a, as in apple. Uppercase B, lowercase b. B says b, as in bat. Uppercase C, lowercase c. C says k, as in camel. Uppercase D, lowercase d. D says d, as in dolphin. Uppercase E, lowercase e. E says e, as in egg. Uppercase F, lowercase f. F says f, as in fire. Uppercase G, lowercase g. G says g, as in guitar. Uppercase H, lowercase h. H says as in hippopotamus. Uppercase I, lowercase I. I says I, as in insect. Uppercase J, lowercase j. J says j, as in jump rope. Uppercase K, lowercase k. K says k, as in koala. Uppercase L, lowercase l. L says l, as in lemon. Uppercase M, lowercase m. M says as in map. Uppercase N, lowercase n. N says n, as in nest. Uppercase O, lowercase o. O says as in octopus. Uppercase P, lowercase p. P says p, as in piano. Uppercase Q, lowercase q. Q says qua, as in queen. Uppercase R, lowercase r. R says as in rose. Uppercase S, lowercase s. S says as in sunset. Uppercase T, lowercase t. T says t, as in turtle. Uppercase U, lowercase u. U says as in umbrella. Uppercase V, lowercase v. V says v, V as in volcano. Uppercase W, lowercase w. W says w, as in window. Uppercase X, lowercase x. X says x, as in box. Uppercase Y, lowercase y. Y says y, as in yo-yo. Uppercase Z, lowercase z. Z says z, as in zipper. Subscribe, like, and share.